If your time horizon is 1 year, you should not invest in any equity fund. Instead, you should consider debt or hybrid funds. These will give you less volatility, and even if the market falls, you wouldn't face significant losses. If your investment in pure debt funds, there is no issue at all. Even if you invest in hybrid or balanced funds, a portion of your investment will be in debt, which will provide fixed income, ensuring that you don't incur losses and can exit with some profit at the end of the year. If your time frame horizon is 1 to 3 years, you can consider investing large cap funds. Large cap funds are less volatile and large cap companies are less affected by market downturns. When the market performs well, these funds provide decent returns, though not as high as small cap funds. However, they offer more comfort because a 3 year time horizon is relatively short for mutual fund investment. Sometimes the market can remain in a downturn for 1 or 2 years, though such periods are rare. However, if your time horizon is 3 to 5 years, you can afford to be slightly more aggressive. You can consider flexi cap or multi cap funds, but avoid small cap funds if your time horizon is less than 5 years. If your time horizon is more than 5 years, then you can add some small cap funds to your portfolio. Small cap funds are highly volatile and can experience significant volatility, but they also provide very high returns if you stay invested in these funds for long term.